Make a great choice today with the 2020 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, daytime running lights, rear-wheel drive, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.